and noisy. Thousands of motorcycles. We got the Red Devil. As they pour down the streets, main highway, Leesburg, Florida. The music cranks, the mufflers rap. Come join us. Where are you all from?
Ocala, Florida. Originally Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio. Welcome to Leesburg. They even got the police out here. As we make our way down Main Street, the concerts are playing, the music's flowing, and the bikes are rolling. Famous cigar at Leesburg, Florida. Ninja, Harley, one after another. And the Red Devil. The streets of Leesburg.